Vibestees. Yeah man, today we are cook some ackee and SaltFish and white rice. This is not it. Catch the bread, you don't know. There's a difference. My socks them are normal. Feel level. Look at my socks. Zoom in my God. My socks them are normal. I mean alone beat them socks up. You hear that? But anyway, watch it now. I get a new air fryer. Yeah man. I get a new air fryer with a normal caloric. So what we are cooking now? I'll finish up thing now. We are doing some ackee and SaltFish. We got Grace. Yeah. Because we do anywhere in the area we still get Jamaican products. So we have some ackee and some SaltFish I do it right now. So I go into the pot. I put in seasoning in them. The pot fire act like fire. Come in. Yeah man. I'm eating it. I'm eating it. Watch out again, we have some white rice in the pot. This is what I go on. And a normal pre. And a normal pre. Check the season them. Red, gold and green. Close up the pot there. Close up the pot in the general. Red, gold and green in the pot. You understand? No joke here. Right back to the thing. Yeah man. Yeah man. So it are going in the pot right now. Man. And we have some fish season where we have put tonight. In a normal, you get me I say? In a real life. Yeah man. And look again, everything is all Caribbean. Everything all Caribbean. And the joke that. And I saw the pot are crumbling, you know. Yeah man, the fire done high already, you know. Look how I go on, man. Tell me what you see, man. If you like it, put something in the comment box. Like and follow. So we know the thing already. Vibestees in the kitchen, I will do the thing right. Ackee are going in the pot now. You see me I did. Watch the pre. Yeah man. It are going on, you know. Catch the vibes on the flow, you don't know the thing style up already. If it's not good food, we don't want it. I put in with black pepper and it. Some people don't like it, but you hear me? A long time I grow and I eat it, it never do me nothing yet. Yes man. Zoom up on them general. And I show that ackee and SaltFish Jamaican way with sweet pepper with onion, with tomato, with country pepper, you get a nice piece of garlic, you get a nice. Yeah man. Some little bit of black pepper, cover them up now, everything done. Bam! Remember, support the page. Follow and like no man, a Vibestees to life no man. Good food, good design. The thing that normal. Vibestees.